Hello, thanks for watching. This is a demonstration and test of a vintage manual conical burr coffee grinder. In this case, maker unknown, appears to be a generic maker without a brand on it. The interesting thing, as you can see, is that it's decorated in this vernacular style, both painted, and this is a kind of poker work, so it's done with a hot piece of metal. This appears to have been done by the manufacturer. In any case, the test is as it always is. We're going to take 7 grams of coffee beans. We're going to set the grinder to its finest setting with the burrs just touching. And we're going to see how the grinder does, both for speed of grind and consistency. Well, that's grinding 7 grams of coffee beans in around about 170 turns on the finest setting, making it on the slow side. Let's have a look at the grind. Well, this is what we frequently get with a very slow grinder. That's a super fine grind. Very fine. And in fact, if you look at how well that compacts, that's just as fine as you can get it. I would say that's a pulverized grind. Because this grinder grinds so finely on the finest setting, what we're going to do is we're going to grind another 7 grams of coffee, but we're going to take the adjuster out and see how fast it grinds for a more practical, more usable grind. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take another 7 grams of beans. I'm going to take the grinder and take the adjuster 2 full turns out from the finest setting. And we're going to grind here and see how it does for fineness and for speed. So we have around about 60 turns of the handle there to grind 7 grams of beans with the adjuster 2 full turns out. Let's have a look at the grind. Well, I would still say that is a classic fine grind. So what you appear to have here is a grinder that can grind very fine, but could also grind to standard usable grades in a reasonable amount of time. Thank you very much for watching, and feel free to have a look at the links at the end of the video or in the description. Happy grinding!